How's it going, guys? Welcome back to the Black Metal Rebellion. I'm your host, Jesse Morgan, aka Slammerella, and today I'm going to be doing a reveal of some custom shoes that I decided to paint up because this color sucks. But they were $30 shoes marked down to $7, so we got two pairs. This is how they start out. Just brown, beige, brownie beige gray, and yeah, they're plain Jane boring skate shoes that I'm just gonna throw insoles in. So yeah, $30 pair of just cheapo skate shoes that I'm going to paint a different color. I already have one done up that's like pink, green, lime yellow laces, and turquoise. These I'm just going to be doing black and blue. So I'm going to record me doing some of it, and you can see my process from a really shitty angle, which I apologize for because I don't have my tripod out here and the wife's napping and I don't want to bug her, so that would involve me going in the bedroom and bugging her to get it. So you're just going to see me kind of doing a tilted angle, painting up some of my shoes. Again, just cheap shoes, but throw some insoles on them, throw some shoe go on them after I'm done painting them, and they'll be perfectly fine skate shoes. Alright, so now they got the blue where I want it and the outline. I might also do around the top of the tongue, not the tongue itself, but like the little line part around, sort of like the side here. I might do for the top of the tongue around the side of it. I'm still deciding whether I want to do the tag on the back, the part that helps you pull up your shoe, black or blue. I feel like blue might work more, and since I have a lot of blue to use up, I might do that. And then it's just a matter of doing a second coat of blue to make all of the shades equal, and then on to the black.
Just more time for the rich to thrive.
Alright, so as you can see, I got the black mostly done on this one shoe here. I'm kind of running low on the container though. I wanted to do the tongue and these little areas that are still gray here, black. But Michael's is closed, and I don't know when it's going to be open against the public because Ontario is on another lockdown. So yeah, I guess I'll try to finish this one shoe and see where I go from there. So, because yeah, no more paint. So I'm not sure if I should do what I did here on the other shoe, or if I just should finish this one and wait to get more paint. Alright, so I just thought of what I'm going to do. I'm going to see if the rest of this tube will be enough, stretch it out, to do the rest of this shoe the same way, and go out and get some more black ivory Artist Loft paint from Michael's later. Alright, wish me luck. Alright, so by a miracle, this tube ended up producing way more black than I thought it was going to, and there's still some left in it. I was able to finish both of the shoes completely. So here we go. Looks pretty good with the blue and the black. And here's the other one. The tongue out still, waiting to dry. So yeah, that turned out pretty good. Now all I have to do is get some blue laces to go with it, and this DIY cheap shoes repaint job, new paint job worked out pretty well. Now, I know I mentioned that I did a couple of other, or a different pair. Here they are. They're pink, blue, green with neon yellow laces. It's a bit much, and it also has silver trim, but they surprisingly go really well with one of my leather jackets that also has green and pink on it. So yeah, pretty interesting idea when you got some really boring shoes, but you pick them up because they're dirt ass cheap. So guess next time I'm out, I will be picking up some laces and some insoles for the new ones. Thanks for watching. Until next time, for glory, for the Rebel Alliance, Slimerella out. Keep DIYing. Kind of glad that I didn't find those blue laces, because I wanted to go out and wear these anyways, and I discovered that I actually have some white laces, and they look pretty damn good to me. Hell yeah.